Hey, look here. By the end of this video, you are going to understand one important thing. How does the AI text-based editor improve or help your video editing? This video is sponsored by Filmora. Hello my dear friends, Alex here from Alex Edits. So to bring the correct understanding to this, we must be able to define what is video editing. So this is the process of manipulating video by rearranging different shots and scenes in order to create a whole new output. So friends, with this base of information, we are going to open the AI text-based editor to find out how does it help the process. So you launch your Filmora and on the start menu, you go for this option right here. Import the video you want to edit. Now here you go to choose the languages. There are just a lot of languages right here, so you can scroll down to find the exact language that you are using. For me, it's the English UK. So I'm just going to use this for now because the exact country of my accent is not mentioned right here. It's not on the list. And here we go. And now let us wait while the magic is being generated. Now as you can see right here, Filmora opens a new window with a preview on the left side and the text editing panel on the right, which is going to be our timeline today. And then after that, we got the main timeline, which is down right here, which many of you know the most. You can actually zoom in or zoom out your timeline using these options right here. Okay, the rest we see as we go. Now, as we all understand that this whole process of video editing is mostly done in the timeline. This is where you cut, this is where you paste, this is where you move clips, and this is where you rearrange scenes, and making the timeline kind of a battleground. But now, this Filmora AI feature is saying, what if we could shift your timeline from the main timeline to become the text-based timeline? We are actually changing the battleground from this main timeline to this text-based timeline right here. And this actually means you can delete, cut, copy and paste your clips right here. If you can edit a text document, you can actually edit a video. Oh yeah, let me say I want to remove this part of my clip right here, just to delete it. What I'm going to do right here is very simple. I just have to select this part of the text right here. And as you can see, the selection automatically highlights in the main timeline in real time. So now when you click to the right, you're going to find the option right here to delete. And as you can see right here, the clip is also going to be deleted from the timeline. Now, let us see what then do you have to do if you want to rearrange your video clips in the timeline. This is the simplest way of editing a video you have ever used. Alright, so what you do right here, again select a portion that you want to rearrange or you want to put somewhere else. Then you go to the option of copying right here. And then find the portion that you want to paste it, and then right select again and go paste. Okay, for another example again, let us say you want to put this video clip right here on the edge or in the last frame of your video in the timeline, and then paste it right there. Alright, so another exciting thing right here is the silence detection. So this is basically going to help you on those moments that you make some pauses or just go silent. But the truth is, you really don't need those moments in your actual video. So that's the exact time where you need the silence detection. When you check on your text right here, you find this kind of a highlight, and that's what represents the silent portion. So you can just delete it, or else you can delete every portion by just selecting here. Now, one more exciting thing right here, guys, is to do the searching. Instead of moving all around your timeline, trying to find one certain particular frame that you may want to re-edit or do some correction. Now, this is going to make the whole job much easier. You just have to type in your word and do the searching. Now, after that, you got this choice to make right here. When you select it, after you do the export, it's going to take you right straight to the subtitle editing. Okay, let me use that option right now. So here you are. As you can see now, you have to edit the subtitle, all the ways that might have been misspelled. Now that you have seen everything you need to know about this, my dear friends, so now if you got some questions, if you got some compliments, even if you got some complaints, be sure to write them all down below. I don't know exactly what do you think about these AI features in Filmora 13, my dear friends, but I would like to hear you saying something about it. It can be a suggestion or even a review. Every community member is here to help another. So until we meet in the next video, goodbye.